Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Prasanna Mista, studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, pursuing my BE in CSE CY Cybersecurity. Today in this video we are going to discuss about the topic History of Computers. First, introduction to the history of computers. Computers have come a long way since their early beginnings in the 19th century. From the mechanical calculators of Charles Babbage to the modern digital powerhouses we rely on today. The history of computing is a fascinating tale of innovation, integrity, and relentless pursuit of technological process. Now, let us see the generation of computers. First generation of computers from 1940s to 1950s. Vacuum tubes. The first generation of computers were categorized by the use of bulky vacuum tubes as the primary computing components. The vacuum tubes were unreliable, generated excessive heat, and required a large amount of physical space to operate. Second, massiveness size. Early computers from this era, such as ENIAC, UNIVAC, were massive in size, often occupying entire room. They were complex machines requiring teams of operators to maintain the program them. Third, limited capabilities. First generation computers had very limited computational capabilities and memory capacity compared to the modern standards. They were primarily used for scientific and military applications such as code breaking and ballistic trajectory calculations. Fourth, punch card input. Data and programs were primarily entered into these computers using punch cards, which were time consuming and prone to errors. The lack of user-friendly interfaces made programming a challenging task. Second generation of computers, 1955 to 1965. In second generation computers, vacuum tubes were used. The second generation of computers were defined by the use of vacuum tubes instead of mechanical relays. The vacuum tube based machines were more reliable, faster, and more compact than their predecessors. They ushered in a new era of computing power and paved the way for the advancement in the field. Transistors based computers. A key development of the second generation was the introduction of transistors, which replaced the bulky vacuum tubes. Transistors were smaller, more reliable, and more energy efficient, allowing for creation of smaller and more powerful computers. This transition marked as a significant leap forward in computing technology. High-level programming languages. During this era, the first high-level programming languages such as Fortran and COBOL were developed. These languages allowed programmers to write code in more neutral, human-readable format, making software development and more efficient and accessible. This paved the way of widespread adoption of computers in various industries. Next, third generation of computers, integrated circuits. The third generation of computers were marked by the introduction of integrated circuits (ICs) or microchips. These miniaturized electronic components allowed for the creation of smaller, more powerful, and more reliable computers compared to the previous generations that relied on bulky vacuum tubes and transistors. High-level programming language. During this era, the development of high-leveling programming languages like COBOL, Fortran, and BASIC enabled more efficient software development and programming. These languages abstracted away the low-level machine code, making it easier for the programmers to write and maintain the code. Mainframe computers. The third generation saw the rise of mainframe computers, which were large, powerful, and expensive machines used by large organizations like governments, universities, and the corporations. These mainframes were capable of handling a wide range of tasks, for data processing to scientific calculation, and were often used in time-sharing environments. Next, fourth generation computers, 1971 to 1980. Rise of microprocessors. The fourth generation of computers marked a significant shift with the introduction of microprocessors. These integrated circuits packed thousands of transistors onto a single chip, enabling the development of smaller, more powerful, and more affordable computers. Proliferation of personal computers. The 1970s saw the emergence of personal computers designed for individual use rather than large, centralized mainframe systems. Iconic models like Apple II, Compoded PET, and TRS-80 brought computing power to the masses, revolutionizing how people interacted with technology. Next, fifth generation of computers, 1980 from 1990. Artificial intelligence. The fifth generation of computers focused heavily on development of artificial intelligence capabilities. These included breakthroughs in natural language processing, expert systems, and machine learning algorithms that allowed computers to mimic human reasoning and decision making. Parallel processing. Another key advancement in the fifth generation was the rise of parallel processing, which enabled computers to perform multiple tasks simultaneously, greatly increasing their speed and efficiency. This paved the way for more complex applications and simulations. User interfaces. The fifth generation also saw significant improvements in user interfaces with the increasing adaptation of graphical user interfaces, GUIs, and more initiative input methods like mice and touchscreens. This made computers more accessible and user-friendly for a wide range of people. Next, advancement in computer software. The evolution of computer software has been a key driver of technological process over the past several decades. From the early days of monolithic mainframe programs to the rise of user-friendly graphical interfaces and powerful applications, software development has unlocked new capabilities and revolutionized the way we interact with computers. Innovations in programming language, operating system, and software architecture have enabled developers to create increasingly complex and versatile programs. Object-oriented programming, database management system, and well-based application have all played a crucial role in expanding the functionality and reach of computers. Conclusion. As we look to the future, the continued advancement in computer technology had immense potential. Emerging technologies like quantum computing, artificial intelligence, and the Internet of Things are poised to revolutionize our world in an unprecedented way. These innovations will likely lead to breakthrough in fields ranging from scientific research to healthcare, transportation, and beyond. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and share the video.